Hello everyone! Please join me, and in this video tutorial you will see how to crochet 6-petal flower with beads and seed beads with heart petals. For this project you just need to get two kinds of beads, a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. All information about the tools, kind of tools and useful links could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Let's get started crocheting, and please share and like this video and subscribe to my channel. For work I will use two crochet hooks, 1 mm and 2 mm, seed beads, and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. For this flower I will use 6 beads and seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin the work from the chain. I took 1 mm crochet hook. My chain is ready. Pull up the working loop. Take a bead. Put it on the hook. Insert the hook into the working loop. Take the working yarn, pull it through. Make a chain. Pull up the working loop. Take a bead, put it on the hook, insert the hook into the working loop, take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain with bead. So I will do in the same way 4 more times. In total it should be 6 beads. I am working with 1 mm crochet hook. I'm done with all 6 beads. Pull up the working loop. I will change the hook. I'm taking 2 mm crochet hook. In your case it could be another size of hook. It depends on your bead and density of crocheting and yarn. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. I insert the hook into the first chain stitch. And make a slip stitch, pull it. My round is ready. I remind you, I joined 6 beads. Insert the hook around this slip stitch or between 2 beads. Make single crochet. So my single crochet is ready. Here how it looks. Insert the hook into the yarn or thread. I'm going to work with half double crochet, single crochet with beads. In this case I'm making them with seed beads. I take seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Now I'm going to work with petals. I take 1 seed bead, yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the yarn, make half double crochet, yarn over the hook, with seed bead and make double crochet. Make double crochet with seed bead. I stop at this point. Make a chain made of 10 beads. It is going to be the base for my petal. I take seed beads. I count 10 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can take any amount of seed beads. Then you can divide them on 2 halves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everything is correct. Pull up the working loop. Take the working yarn, pull it through like this. So my chain with seed beads is ready. It is very beautiful and unusual. Insert the hook into the top and pull up a loop like this. It is going to be the working loop. Make single crochet. Then I'm going to work with double crochet and half double crochet with seed bead. Make double crochet, yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the thread. Make double crochet. And half double crochet. Insert the hook between 2 beads, make single crochet and pull it. Let's stop and look what I have done. So my cute first petal is ready. It is very simple and unusual at the same time. I will start the next one. Then you should keep working by yourself. Continue. Take seed beads. I take 1 seed bead, make half double crochet. Insert the hook into the yarn, make half double crochet, and my half double crochet is ready. In total it should be 6 such petals. So keep working this way till the end of this round, and I will show you how to complete this round with me. Once I have done all 6 petals, as I told you before, now I show you how to complete this round with me. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. My round is ready. Make a chain. This is the beginning of the next round. Insert the hook into the same single crochet, make single crochet. Then chain of 7 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Insert the hook between middle two. Let's count. It is going to be the fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the middle space. Insert the hook. Make single crochet. Then chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Insert the hook into the single crochet that I did between beads. Make single crochet. Then chain of 7 and so on. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 6 of them. Once I have done all 6 petals, I chain the last one. To complete this round, work into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. My round is ready. It is very fun. And let's crochet the new round. For this, make single crochet, work into the chain space, make different toe stitches, make single crochet, 3 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. And 3 treble crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Well done. To complete the half, make double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet. My half is ready, so I'm going to work in the same way as the first one. Make single crochet, then half double crochet, then double crochet, 3 treble crochet, 1, make the second one, and the third one. Then 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and 3 half double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Well done. Make single crochet. My first petal is ready. It is completely ready. I straighten up my stitches. It is very beautiful and unusual at the same time. It looks like heart. Keep working this way till the end of this round. Once I have done all 6 petals, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. I already cut off my yarn to secure the yarn by making a chain. So that's it, my project is ready. It is fashionable and simple at the same time. For those who don't like seed beads and beads, you can visit my channel and find a lot of video tutorials without seed beads. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. For this pattern or project, I use 2 kinds of beads, seed beads and round beads. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools, and useful links would be found in the description of each video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!